Hello, I'm Laura. I live in my van that I converted myself, and I travel with Snuffkin and my 2 guinea pigs. So why don't you join me on my adventures? Here on my channel, Destination Unknown. Hello. It's been a little while maybe. I actually left England yesterday. I got the Eurotunnel to Calais and then I stayed a night at Dunkirk. Really nice place. I stayed right on the beach. Windy but nice. Then I had a walk around the old barracks on the beach, obviously from both the wars. I didn't really film myself yesterday because I was feeling really bad. I had a really bad headache the whole time. It's finally gone though, so that's good. I'm now in Belgium at this lovely place next to a river. The first place I stopped at, because it had free electricity, it was full up. It was I don't know, 6 spaces, and they were all full of massive fancy motorhomes. I just wanted a space. I don't even need the electric, and there's nowhere else to park. I was like, oh great, start. But I came to this one and it's so much better. This is totally better for me. It's actually opposite this old fort, and I thought I could walk around it, but it turns out they're doing some event, a private event. Oh well, fuck me then, innit? So yeah, I've been watching the ducks go past with their babies, and there's geese and loads of bats here, apparently the sign said, so I'll be looking out for them later. Yeah. just driven up these tiny lanes, like really tight, tiny lanes up to this castle. I thought it'd be busy, like it said on Google, it's busier than normal. But there's only one car in the car park. So I'm gonna go see if it's actually open and have a look. Yeah. Look at how steep these steps are.